First I need to solder these wires over here. So the red goes with red and the blue goes with yellow. Then we cover with the heat shrink. Hot air. Next we take our cable and we put it on this joiner form. It's made by aluminum, making sure that the cables, they were gonna stay properly in the middle. We cover it, then clamping on this vise over here to stay really well pressed together. Then we take our molding injector gun and we press. So we are injecting the molding inside for 30 seconds, then we leave 30 seconds to cool down. Then we are looking for the results. So we're removing this one, we're taking the molding, and we can see the brand is there. We just remove this one, and this is how the joiner is making. So 4-wire cable, 4-core cable in this side, and come out 2 cable of 2 cores. Nice. And my goal for today is to finish all these cables, joining them together. This one I already joined them, and mold all of them. I hope I'm gonna manage.